So, you want to be a truck driver. Okay, what we have here is an above ground raised scale. And with these things, you got to make sure you're lined up before you get on them or off of them. And if you don't keep yourself lined up, and don't watch what you're doing, well, then you end up having the problem this gentleman's having here sitting there on the scale.
Right. Take a picture of me.
It's tight.
Yeah, well, that's bullshit. I should have been watching what I was doing. I felt that thing right there, and I tried to back up a little bit. Next thing I knew, I was off the edge of it.
Yeah, that's probably going to be a tow truck.
Well, they're bringing somebody from the mill's coming over. But I got that brake, that airbag stuff. It's not the bag, but the thing on the bottom is I can pull this out of the way.
I think that's probably welded in place.
I don't think it is. It ain't molded enough.
Dangerous Docks, Coater Finishing 10 and Coater Finishing 3. All these scrape marks are from people's wheels hitting the wall as they're trying to back into this stuff. You see the remnants of all the plastic plug nut covers. Can't turn right when you're backing into this stuff. Yep. Plan your back, your trajectory, your arc, your circle, so that you only make left turns or go back straight. Ooh. Close there. There you have it, Coater Finishing 10 at night from the driver's point of view. Coater Finishing 3 is straight, but it has a wall only inches away from the trailer. This is damage caused by a Florilli driver backing into a Trans Am trailer. There's a lot of truck traffic into and out of this factory, and it makes it difficult to find the responsible parties. Luckily, there was a witness to this expensive disaster. Boy, Trans Am again. Always pull against the pin before starting. Make sure to drop your loaded trailer on solid ground to avoid this. There is a cement strip here which the driver missed.